Hello there. Let's learn how to make a two-level sentence outline. But first, let us read a selection. The bamboo is the giant of the grass family. Some bamboos can grow as tall as trees. They can grow in the lowlands or in the rolling hills. There are different kinds of bamboos. The bamboo has many uses. The most important use of bamboo is for building houses. Whole bamboo is used for posts and beams of houses. Split bamboo is used for roofs, walls, and floors. It is also used in fishing and farming. Different kinds of fish traps are made from bamboo. The farmer uses the bamboo as a fence for his garden and farm. The bamboo has many other uses. It can be made into toys, furniture, and utensils. It is a very useful plant. Now let's answer some questions. Number 1. What is a bamboo? Number 2. Where do bamboos usually grow? Number 3. What are the different uses of bamboos? Number 4. How many paragraphs does the selection have? Number 5. What is the topic in the first paragraph? And the second paragraph? You may write your answers on a piece of paper. Now let us check your answer. Number 1. What is a bamboo? A bamboo is the giant of the grass family. Number 2. Where do bamboos grow? They can grow in lowlands or in rolling hills. Number 3. What are the different uses of bamboos? They are used for build houses, fish traps, furnitures, toys, utensils. Number 4. How many paragraphs does the selection have? The selection has 3 paragraphs. What is the topic in the first paragraph? The paragraph tells about what is a bamboo. And the second paragraph tells us about the uses of a bamboo. Now let's make an outline. What is an outline? An outline is a brief summary of a particular topic. It helps you organize ideas. It has 2 parts. The topic is written in Roman numerals. The subtopics that give the details are written in capital letters under the topic. Let's see the parts. Parts of an outline. The main topic is written in Roman numeral is the first part. The subtopics are written under the main topic and indented form is or are the second part. Let's try. For example, the queen bee is the most important member of the hive. She is the ruler of the colony. Her job is to lay eggs. She lays at least 2,000 eggs every day. The main topic is the queen bee is the most important member of the hive. We write them in the first line and put a Roman numeral 1. And the subtopics, we will write them under the main topic in indented form. And we write the alphabets. The first subtopic in letter A, she is the ruler of the colony. The second topic or subtopic in letter B, her job is to lay eggs. And the third subtopic in letter C, she lays at least 2,000 eggs every day. Now let's try to do and learn. Identify the topic of the given details. Choose your answer in the box and write them on your paper. Number 1. Plants grow everywhere. Some grow in the pond, some grow in the ground, others grow in a rocky soil. What is the topic? Plants have many uses. Plants grow in different places. If your answer is plants grow in different places, you got the correct answer. Number 2. Maria grows different kinds of seeds. She plants guava, mango, and papaya. After a few days, a baby plant grows. It has a stem and small leaves. What is the topic of the given details? Plants grow from seeds. Maria has plenty of seeds. Correct answer is plants grow from seeds. Birds fly with their wings. Fish swim with their fins. Dogs and cats walk with their feet. What is the main topic? Animals move in different ways. They have different body parts. Animals move in different ways is the correct answer. Now try this one. Get a piece of paper and write the subtopics of the given main topic. Tree. A tree is a home to animals. Birds build their nests on its branches. Bees make their hives in its holes. Rabbits live underneath it. Animals stay with their family in the tree. The main topic is already given. Write the subtopics. Now let's check your answer. Subtopic letter A is birds build their nest on its branches. Subtopic letter B, bees make their hives in its holes. And subtopic letter C, rabbits live underneath it. Thanks for watching and for coming for our lessons today. You may now proceed to your module activities. See you all again tomorrow.